Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our bedroom linen services and find it useful.
Experience the luxury of fresh, impeccably clean bedroom linens with Sudsies Dry Cleaning Service. Our expert care extends beyond clothing to your most intimate spaces, ensuring that your sheets, pillowcases, comforters, and duvets are as pristine as the day you bought them. We recommend professionally cleaning your comforters and duvets at least every 3 months to maintain a healthy, hygienic environment, especially important if you suffer from allergies or have pets. Whether it's a high-thread count Egyptian cotton sheet set or a delicate silk duvet, Sudsies' meticulous process preserves the fabric's integrity while removing dust mites, allergens, and other impurities. Rediscover the comfort and cleanliness of your bedroom with Sudsies, where your linens receive the same prestigious care as your wardrobe. Sudsies' process for cleaning bedroom linen, such as sheets, pillowcases, duvet covers, and blankets, follows a methodical and meticulous approach similar to that used for other households.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.